Welcome to Obeid Dental, your destination for porcelain veneers and top cosmetic dental procedures in the DC metropolitan area. My name is Dr. Obeid. I'm a board certified prosthodontist and I help thousands of patients improve their smile. Porcelain veneers are non-invasive dental procedures that will make a big improvement in the smiles of our patients. They are made from thin layers of porcelain and will be cemented on top of the teeth. The process starts with initial consultation and a clinical evaluation. Models and impressions will be made, and handmade wax up will be fabricated of the desired outcome. That mock-up will be tried in and a separate and second appointment, and we will try the new look and see if any adjustments will be needed. When the mock-up on the patients is approved, we then proceed to the clinical steps of preparing the teeth, doing the final impression, and the delivery of the final veneers on the third or the fourth appointment. So you'll be looking at a 3 to 4 appointments start to finish to get the final outcome. And of course, all the veneers are made in our in-house lab, and that is really our secret sauce. Will allow us to get the best result and be able to match the teeth or create the most desired aesthetics. What are the indications for dental veneers? We can definitely use dental veneers to treat discolored teeth with great success, to close the spaces, small and large, to treat teeth trauma that cause fracture of the teeth without the need to put crowns and do invasive procedures, and then to treat small teeth that are caused by some congenital diseases. So there's a lot of indications for porcelain veneers. You need to have us take a look at it, do a clinical evaluation. So we were asked if you'd like to have some more information, contact us for complimentary consultation. You can send us an email, info@obeiddental.com, and you're more than welcome to visit our website at obeiddental.com. Thank you.